We at Sparks stepped into 2020 with a booming passion, enthusiasm, and motivation. Included in Plus top 1000 companies in the world in 2019, we were still celebrating and coronavirus happened. The global pandemic put everyone in lockdown and made them working from their homes. The Indian government declared the countrywide lockdown on 25th March. Our professionals were already working from their homes by then, making 200 plus professionals working from their home feasibly. We ensured to keep ourselves prepared for any challenges. From aligning resources for everyone, ensuring a strong communication, sustaining the progress, to delivering the best to our customers, we checklisted everything. Overcoming every challenge, we ensured maximum support, finding new ways to cope with the new normal, making our customers, clients, and everyone associated with us feel happy and satisfied. We ensured to living up to all of our customers' expectations. In 2020, we completed 450 projects, served 183 clients, and onboarded 110 new professionals. We utilize our potential and help other business startups or small scale companies during the global recession. With our Startup Care Fund, we allocated $100,000 to provide free digital marketing services, where we interacted with more than 50 businesses. We reached out to our former employees who were either laid off or were facing financial issues due to salary cuts. We reconsidered their profiles and onboarded them. We transformed our work culture and policies as per the new conditions. We made our working hours more flexible and also asked everyone associated with us to avail mandatory health insurance policy. We cherish our growth by sharing it with our working professionals, so we rolled out appraisals in October. We took initiatives to keep our professionals mentally fit, where we arranged Kaam Se Hatke activity for healthy conversations, provided free mental health app subscriptions, and ensured no layoffs. In 2020, we learned utilizing technology to cope with the situation, implementing an adaptive work culture, and increasing faith in the process. We aim to focus on some high priority goals this year. In 2021, we shall focus on sustaining growth, remain prepared for new challenges, finding new unconventional ways to serve our customers, and indulging in maximum adoption of technologies like AI, ML, and AR. The world is unpredictable, so we need to create an independent yet connected work ecosystem. We tend to strengthen the bond with our customers, including startups to Fortune 500 companies. Leveraging long-term experience in the industry, latest trends in technologies, and personalized strategies, we tend to develop 360-degree software solutions for our customers. We dedicate our success in 2020 to our professionals for their endless support and keep giving their best.